Hi everyone, let me show you how to make a logo on a cookie using a Pico projector. I like to start by outlining the cookie with medium consistency royal icing. I am using a decorating tip number 1.5. Then I let the outline dry for a little bit and then fill it up with flooding consistency icing. After I set the image on the projector, I like to outline the design using the same icing and the same decorating tip that I used to outline the cookie. You need to drag the icing very carefully to all the corners. Then shake the cookie so the air bubbles can come up to the surface, and then you need to pop them up. Because if there are some air bubbles inside, after your cookie is dry, it's going to have a dent and you don't want that. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here in my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.